Hello there. You are welcome to introductory episode of Engineering Graphics and Design tutorial series. Let's get started. Are you a student of All India Council for Technical Educations, pursuing undergraduate courses in engineering and technology? Then this video tutorial series is for you. In the beginning, we would like to inform you that we are a team of 10 plus experienced engineers. We make educational videos to help students, engineers, and society. Benefits of following our videos: complete video tutorial of the subject as per AICTE India syllabus, additional videos based on your comments or doubts, on-demand videos related to the subject, and it's completely free. About the course: all phases of manufacturing or constructions require the conversion of new ideas and design concept into the basic line language of graphics. Therefore, there are many areas: civil, mechanical, electrical, architectural, and industrial, in which the skills of the CAD technicians play major roles in the design and development of new products or constructions. Students prepare for actual work situations through practical training in a new state-of-the-art computer-designed CAD laboratory using engineering software. The course is designed to address the followings: to prepare you to design a system, component, or process to meet desired needs within realistic constraints such as economic, environmental, social, political, ethical, health, and safety, manufacturability, and sustainability. To prepare you to communicate effectively, to prepare you to use the techniques, skills, and modern engineering tools necessary for engineering practice. Proposed syllabus of AICTE. The entire syllabus is divided into two parts: traditional engineering graphics and computer graphics. In the first part of the syllabus, that is traditional engineering graphics, we will have principles of engineering graphics, orthographic projection, descriptive geometry, drawing principles, isometric projection, surface development, perspective, reading a technical drawing, sectional views, dimensioning and tolerances, true length and angle, intersection, and shortest distance. In the second part, that is computer graphics, we will discuss engineering graphics software, partial transformation, orthographic projections, model viewing, coordinate system, multi-view projection, explode assembly, model viewing, animation, partial manipulation, surface modeling, solid modeling, and introduction to building information modeling system. So, what is in next episode. As we said, this is an introductory session, so from next episode onward we will go directly into the practical classes. So we will escape traditional engineering graphics part, that is mostly through theoretical part, so we will skip through that is module 1 to module 5 to start discussion from module 6. So we will start discussion from module 6, both theory and practical. So please like and share our channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you get timely update for each of the episode. So stay with the course. See you in the next episode.